South Korea is a new front line in the coronavirus outbreak. The focus on Thursday, the southeastern city of Daegu and its surrounding areas. People are being warned not to go outside. The mayor's appealing for medical help, fearing hospitals may struggle to cope. The spike in cases confirmed by South Korea's Ministry of Health and Welfare.
Since last night, 31 people have additionally been infected with COVID-19. The total tally is now 82 people.
The bulk of the new cluster has been traced to a religious group. Officials from South Korea's Centers for Disease Control and Prevention say a female member of the group, diagnosed with the virus last week, had contact with more than 160 followers.
We are promptly investigating all people who came into contact with the confirmed patient, and we are planning to conduct effective measures like investigating all devotees to detect those with symptoms in their early stages.
In China, where the coronavirus began, government officials continue to insist their containment measures are working and have reported the biggest drop in new infections in nearly a month, 394 with 114 deaths. But the way people are being diagnosed has changed again, a week after the testing criteria was widened. At a gathering of Asian foreign ministers in Laos, China's top diplomat said those stringent measures and other virus control methods were bringing results.
China is not only protecting its own people but also the rest of the world. This has gained precious time for the global response to the virus.
That upbeat message is reflected in state TV news bulletins, with uplifting stories of patients who've recovered from the virus leaving hospital, more than 1,600 so far. In Macau, the world's biggest casino hub, venues closed 15 days ago are reopening. But the gaming regulator has imposed strict rules for casinos, including temperature checks, mask protection and health declarations for staff and guests. The Chinese territory makes over 80% of its revenues from casinos, but tourist visits have all but dried up. While workers in many other industries across mainland China are being encouraged to return to work, virus experts are warning that could lead to secondary infections. Here in Hong Kong, there have been 2 more confirmed infections, taking the total to 63. And that figure could rise now that Hong Kong citizens who are on board the quarantine cruise liner off Japan are beginning to return on chartered flights. They'll have to spend the next 14 days in quarantine. Adrian Brown, Al Jazeera, Hong Kong.